This is without any transition. Just the old slide just vanished and a new slide has come into place. Right? Okay. What are we going to do? First, slide layout. Anybody knows what is a slide layout? Anybody has worked in this? Slide layout क्या होता है? What is a slide layout? Yes. Sorry?
There are different kinds of layout, how we can put our data in that and how it will show.
So, if I open a new slide here, tell me what are the slide layouts? Where are the slide layouts? Wait, let me answer. Wait. Yes, sir.
There is layout option is there.
This one?
Yes.
There are 9. There are 9 layouts. There are 9 layouts. Okay. Now these 9 layouts like title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption and picture with caption. Do you have any idea why they have made these 9 layouts? Anybody has any idea why they have made this?
Because every PPT has different data, how we can like there should be options how we can.
Every slide has its own what do you say way of presenting, right? So sometimes you need a title slide, sometimes you need a title with a content. Content can be either it could be a photograph, it could be a video, it could be a table, or it could be a embedded file from another Excel file and you want to put it over here. So that is called title and content. Section headers, if you want to create some sections like marketing की एक section है तो marketing की slides अब शुरू हो रही हैं, फिर administration department, then administration department slides are starting, so you could have this section set header over there. What about two contents? Sometimes there is something you want to put the pros and cons. You want to compare something, तो pros and cons हो गया ना, तो उसमें आपने heading दे दिया, the pros will come here, the cons will come here. It's up to you how you want to explain that. But I'm showing you a way of doing that. Because what you will do is, what we used to do earlier. What we used to do is, this is what everybody has done in their life. You go to the new slide and you take a blank. And this is how you start your work. You start with the box, then you start doing this, then you put another box, then you start doing this. Now you see how you're wasting your time. Are you wasting your time here or not? To avoid all this, what PPT guys have done is they have given you layouts. If you had clicked on this comparison, see everything was already there. You only did not know that exists here. Now you can use your add a title and see why it makes an impact on your PPT is because the edges, all these breakups, they are all pre-designed by somebody and your entire PPT will not go out of focus. That means some boxes are going out of this line, there is no bordering, because see, manually it is impossible to get exactly that 0.00 difference, right? You will never be able to make a perfect box like what a pre-designed guy has done it. They have given you 9, but if you feel that what you want to present is in none of them, then you can select a blank design. Then you can select a blank one and you can start making your own. Okay? So that is about slide designs. Okay. These are your slide layouts. Now we are going to understand about outline view. What is outline view? Has anybody worked in outline view earlier? What do you mean by outline view? Does anybody have PPTs which are either half made or they are fully made? You have it. Can you open a PPT? If you open any PPT on your laptop, you will understand it better. Open any PPT which you have sent to your boss. You can work in that, but please first change the name of that PPT as sample. Make a copy of that and paste it in your desktop or some other place. I don't want to actually spoil the work. So later on, if anybody says that I've worked on a PPT which is actually my boss's PPT and I've done some changes, now I cannot redo them. So please make a copy of that PPT and rename that as sample. Done? Open the PPT. Open the PPT. To understand the outline view, go into view. Go into view. Go into view. Can you see the outline view over here? Please click on this outline view. Click on this outline view. In your current PPT which you are working on, please tell me, did you see an amazing way how the entire work is got summarized on the left hand side? Please look at this outline very carefully. Please do it on an existing PPT, otherwise you will not understand what I'm doing. If you have an existing PPT, now can anybody tell me what is the difference between an outline view and a normal view? Can you please tell me what is the difference between an outline view and a normal view? You've just done an outline view on your boss's PPT or your own PPT which you prepared with your own hands. Can you please tell me what has happened? Please. Yes. You don't only get the title, but also if there is anything under the title, if anything is written, that is also coming there, and it is all editable. If you have made any mistake, any spelling mistakes, or you want to check it with your boss, you can bring this outline view. And in this topic, there are only pictures, there are only photographs, right? Photographs cannot be summarized. But any wordings which are written, like not in this photograph, if you have put another text box in which you have written anything, that will come under PPT. Please look at your PPT. There are many headers and sub-headers also which are coming there, and they are all editable. The magic of outline view is they are all editable. Outline view, yes.
It's not showing up for me, I'm not sure why. Except the first slide, it's not taking any of this data on the text.
Just click on the outline view.
Yeah, none of it shows up.
Because these are all ranked, but they are all photographs.
No, it's never.
They are not.
Everything is.
Go to the next. Go to the next slide, next page. All photographs. All photographs. Nothing in the all photographs. All photographs. No, a photograph with a text is not a text. A text box is a different box. Not. See, if you have a photograph of Taranveer and you've written my name and then you've taken a screenshot of this Taranveer and my photograph, is this text?
It has
No,
different
it's a photo only. Picture.
It's electrical. I'm not sure.
Where is the text?
This text.
No, this is a text which you have manually put
Text
there.
में photo भी है.
Separate text. It has to be a box which
अब मैं
one box there, all points are there, sub points are there. That will come out. The way you showed me that earlier slide, the slide which you showed, there is a box where there are pointers in one box. Those will come out as a shortcut,
with text.
which will be editable. Got it? Clear? Outline view is finished. Okay? Because the contents of all the slides that can fit on a page are shown at once. You can easily view and change the order of the topics, or you can edit whatever you want. Whatever you will edit in the outline view over here, automatically it will get edited over here. If you want to write instead of PPT basics, you want to write PowerPoint basics. The moment you start typing here, ये क्या change हो जाएगा?